Arena4D ClipBox. This is a tool used for clipping point clouds as well as any other data objects that may appear on this list that are in the current view here. So here's our data, so move to where we roughly want the ClipBox to be. Right click, add alphabetically, select ClipBox. Give the name, you can rename later in the properties over here. And there's our ClipBox. So with the position tool turned off, the arrows here, which are quite self-explanatory really, change the size of the ClipBox. And the balls here can be used to pull in angles, so we can change the angles, and the arrows themselves change the size. So if I just position this to a section of this tower we have here, we can now go to the position tool, which is up here, and now the arrows and the balls are used to move that ClipBox. Okay, up and down to the side. Very, very useful. So if I now just turn off the position tool again to show you, change the size, the position tool on, you are just moving the ClipBox as it does with all other data types. Tick box here to enable the ClipBox, turn it off and on. Be very careful if you ever load some data and it appears like this, but you can't see your data. It could just be that the ClipBox is clipping the data, because you may have a very small ClipBox. Properties for ClipBox, you have the XYZ as per all data objects. You can lock the position, we can give it an EPSG code, and start and end times.